Okay, guys, so we're gonna review all of our fidget toys. Okay, so we're gonna review all of our fidget toys. Starting off with this popsicle poppet.
Daddy bought this from Amazon for me.
Yeah, it's Destin's. And then this is the hard side.
Next
It's pretty good.
is the square puppet.
There's a square poppet. Okay. The soft side, you can't hear anything, and it pops up when you pop it. And it's pretty annoying. Here's the hard side. Okay. Next up is our jumbo game board poppet. It's on the hard side right now.
Starting up is two mangoes poppet. Starting up.
You guys hear that?
Yeah.
It's huge. It's like that big. And here's the soft side. Still pretty good. Okay, next off is two Among Us poppets.
Yeah.
This one, we had a circle poppet until I traded it for this Among Us poppet with my friend at school. Look. And we got this one from Amazon. So next is our pop tube. I got this at the prize box at my school. It's really good. I love pop tubes. And then, okay, next one is this Rubik's Cube. We have like a lot of these in our room. And we don't really use it that much. So yeah. And here's our hexagon poppet. This is like one of our first poppets. So let's hear it. Ooh, it's pretty good. Okay, here's the hard side.
Yeah.
Ooh. And then here is our pea popper.
If it's 10, we're done and do fidget trading.
Good. So here is our cupcake poppet. It's kind of ripped. Look. Okay, here's the soft side.
Is this still good?
It's pretty quiet. Here's the hard side. Okay. Oh. Okay, that's all of our fidgets. So, bye guys, see you in the next video.
Bye!